So this video's been a little different. I broke my vow of silence from the last videos, but shooting a long gun has been a challenge compared to a handgun. Just because you can hold camera, you can hold the pistol with one hand, but I had a lot of fun. The targets were hard to see in the daylight, and hopefully this is a little better. I'm not used to a cylinder bore shotgun. Typically everything I've shot's been either full choke or modified, that type of thing, but shooting Birdshot out of this was fun. I did realize that it will actually hold 8 plus 1 in the chamber, according to the website, and I just tested it and it does work. 10 yards cylinder bore, it done great. You can see there where the wad cut through, but it's definitely a good close range option for cylinder bore is. And the Mossberg, I just like them. They do great. 20 yards, you can definitely see it start to spread out. It looks like the pattern's a little bit high for the way I hold. 30 yards, you can definitely see it spreading. It's getting more open, and I hope you all can see this. It's kind of difficult, but I noticed right away that that size cardboard was not going to work for 40 yards. And so I went to this bigger one, and it's really spread out. You really can't see it on the video very well, but it's spread out. I tried it with Buckshot. That's maybe the first time I've ever shot Buckshot, but it's not something I'd want to deer hunt with at those ranges. You'd have to do some testing that closer to see. Overall, I've had fun. I had an 870 before this, and this gun was intended to be the beside the bed shotgun, and so was the 870. But the 870, took it out to skeet shoot, just playing around one day, and underneath here on the 870, there's a plate. And somehow I didn't get the shell all the way up in the magazine tube, and went to rack the slide, and the shell come out, and it all jammed the gun up, and I thought, ooh, this is not good. If that were to happen in the middle of the night when you hear something, or being out here, we have bears that like to get in the trash and things, and if I come outside, I like to have something with me. So anyhow, I didn't want that to happen, and I had Grandpa's old Mossberg full choke 28-inch barrel for a long time. It is slick as a ribbon, but I wanted something shorter. This fit the bill. It had walnut furniture. I'm a big fan of walnut stocks, and when I seen this, I just thought, man, I'd like to have one of those. So put a notification on one of those websites that you can do that with, and all of a sudden, lo and behold, I was sitting at the table, and boom, it's in stock. The price was good, and I snatched it up. They are drilled and tapped. You can put a red dot or whatever if you don't like the bead. They got the 590A1, that's a heavier walled barrel and has ghost ring sights and that type of stuff. But I'm a fan of the just plain old bead sight and walnut furniture. I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks.
Yeah, Dad. I'm gonna look over here. Yeah!
All right.